Good day everyone and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Corsair Gaming K70 mechanical keyboard. This is their newest gaming keyboard produced this year, and it features Cherry MX red switches, and they have the per key backlighting, which is basically backlighting that you could set for each and every individual keys. Also, since they're Cherry MX switches, you know they're durable and they last about 50 million clicks or types, I guess. So you know they're going to be reliable. They also say that the mechanical key switches. They also say that this is made with aircraft grade anodized brushed aluminum for a superior rigidity, and let's hope that it is, otherwise it's going to be needing that aluminum when I throw it out the window. So with that in mind, I think we should go straight into the box. There's not much highlighted on the box itself. Let's check the back. No, nothing really big. If there is, I'll point it out after I take it open. Let's make use of that knife. I haven't been able to use it in a while. Alright, here it is, and slice. That felt good. Put the knife here and let it out of the box, and there's a new logo. I'm not really a big fan of it. Corsair could have gone with so many other things, but you know what, we're gonna have to live with it. So right out of the box, it's the box itself is made of cardboard, so not much of a visibly nice looking box, but as long as the product is nice, let's not take down any marks. Okay, let's take out the keyboard and take a look at the accessories first, although it's going to be really hard. Yep, alright, big mess here. Alright, so the first thing we're going to look at, it's the armrest. It's supposed to be made out of some soft leather-like material to give you very good comfort. Let's see what it is actually. Okay, I don't know if it's leather, but it is soft. It's like rubber, and it has like a dotted feeling to it. I like those new Samsung phones. What do you call it? The Band-Aid design. So yep, it's gonna be nice. And it doesn't keep any fingerprints, which I like. So let's put that to the side. They have provided some keycaps. These are customized keycaps. These are they have the texture on them. So if you want to highlight the numbers 1 to 6 or WASD, which are the keys that you would need if you're a gamer, then you can do that. Otherwise, you could use the black keys that are already there. They also give you a key picker so that you could easily take out and replace keys. That's good. What else do they have? There's a manual here and a warranty. So the manual is just general stuff about the keyboard setup, all that stuff. Not much stuff. Warranty for Australian consumers. Probably doesn't apply to us. Alright, so inside the box is nothing else, so let's take a look at the wire first. Let's remove this box. Alright, so the wire is very nicely done in this cloth like finish, and you can't see the cable through it, so it's done very well, and it goes all the way into the cap. The output is 2 USB plugs, and one of them is for the keyboard and the other one is I think just a data transfer. Although I'm not sure if this one has a USB port, so we'll check it out soon. And it's pretty long, so that's a benefit. So now let's get to the thing we all came here for, the keyboard. Alright, let me just pull it through the plastic. Run the wire through the plastic, that's the hard part. Alright, here it is. So we have the new Corsair Gaming logo right here on the top, covered in the plastic film, which I'll remove later. So we have a stainless steel finish. it looks very nice. It's shiny and doesn't really take up any fingerprints, so that's good. The keys are raised. They're above the keyboard, and you could actually see the switches underneath. But I think you probably won't see it once you put on the armrest, so that's good. It feels pretty comfortable, and the click sounds are like this. So not too loud, but not too soft either. These are Cherry MX red switches, so they have a much earlier actuation point. So even when you click about halfway, it'll still register, so you don't have to go all the way down. What else can we see here? So it's a standard keyboard, standard size, with a number pad on the side. We do have some media keys here, and volume, really nice roller for volume, which I really love. I don't like the ones that come with a button that you have to click to increase the volume, so I love the roller. Fixed mute, also nice. Very tiny lights for the number lock, caps lock, and the scroll lock, so that's cool. And I think this is for adjusting the brightness. This is for, I guess if you're using Windows 8, this is for the Windows App Store. And this, I'm not sure. I'll check back and let you guys know at the end of the video. To continue, let's take a look at the sides. The sides are made of plastic, and if you check right here, you could see. I'm gonna check what this is too. It's a switch that shows 1, 2, 4, and 8, yeah, and a bias. So it's for switching between possibly modes, if not just other programmable things. I'm gonna check that and get back to you as well. And here there's a USB port just in case you wanna plug in a USB, and that's what the additional wire was for. So I think that's all. Let me just quickly check the other about the two things and get back to you. Alright guys, so I quickly checked the manual, and this key that I mentioned earlier was for the programming the backlights. As I mentioned, each of the backlights can be changed individually, so this is for opening that up. And also, if you could manually program by pressing and holding for 3 seconds, selecting the key that you want to change and changing it. And this switch is for setting the bias mode. So if you switch it all the way to the end, which is the bias mode, then you can use this keyboard in the system's bias, which will disable settings of the keyboard such as the N key rollover functions, which are only available in Windows. So that's just if you want to use it in the BIOS and you're having some trouble with the keyboard, you put in that will change it to a legacy mode. The 1, 2, 4, and 8 are for changing the polling rate, which allows you to adjust and vary the polling rate of your keyboard for a better gameplay. If you want to go with much higher polling, you could do that, or if you want a slower polling, then that's also up to you. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Corsair Gaming K70 mechanical keyboard. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos, and please remember to share this with your friends. Until next time guys, peace.